Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we got, you see the black box. You got the Nike Air Force One on the top. More than sure y'all probably know what this is, but just in case you don't, this is what we're looking at. It's the Air Force One 07 PRM JDI, which stands for Premium Just Do It. Now, a lot of people already saw these. You know, they come with 2 Just Do It stickers. You might even get some that have no stickers. You might get some that just have 1 sticker, but it is what it is, man. Now, looking at the paper, you got the white paper with a bunch of stars printed all over the paper. You can only really see it once you're up close on it. But anyway, let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Force One Premium Just Do It. Now, we're going to run through this quick because, you know, you see I'm in a different spot and everything, man, you know, so I just wanted to put this content out for y'all right quick, man, let y'all see. I already reviewed the orange pair, the total orange pair, you know, so now I'm giving you a look at these. As you can see on the bottom, you got the all-white sole, Nike branding. Here on the side, you got your orange patch, you Just Do It 3 times with a Nike check. You got like the holographic or whatever you call it on the swoosh. On the back right here, you got the black Just Do It patch with Just Do It printed on the heel. Medial side, you got the white kind of like with the black print. You got the black and the orange check. I mean, it's a dope shoe, man. I like it. I'm feeling it. You know, even though I'm not a fan of Air Force Ones, and I said that many times before, but it is what it is. On the inside, you got the white sole with the black Nike. On the tongue, you got your colorful Just Do It. Now, looking at the other shoe, this one comes with the black Just Do It hang tag, kind of like a rubbery material. You know what I mean? It's pretty dope, man. I'm feeling it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You're not? You gonna pass? And here's a look at all the Just Do It branding on the shoe. On the back of this one, you got the Just Do It in orange. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's pretty dope, man. There's a look at the top. There's your shoestrings with Just Do It printed all over it. There's that Just Do It colorful on the tongue. There's that insole. I mean, it's pretty dope, man. I'm looking at both of the shoes together. You know, if you see some differences, let me know. The only ones I really see right now is on the back, right here with the Just Do It's. So, I mean, it is what it is, man. Let me know how y'all feel about them, man. You feeling them? You're not? Planning on copping them? Whatever the case is, man. You know what I mean? But look, thank y'all for the subscribers, man. You know, thank y'all for tuning in, checking out the videos, man. We're going to keep this content coming. I got a couple of videos I'm going to be dropping later today. You know what I'm saying? So y'all follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504 and go check out the website, man. Until next time, I'm going to holler back.